Hello designers, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gigi. I am a fashion designer based in London. In my channel, I do pattern making and sewing tutorial for women's wear and swimwear. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this face mask with pocket filter. The sewing pattern is available to download in the description below. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, designers. Now, let's get started. You will need the following tool and material. And the sewing pattern is available to download in the description below. Cut to a piece of your main fabric. So my one is going to be this beautiful print that I have bought a long time ago, and is 100% cotton. Again, cut 2 pieces for your lining and then 2 pieces for the pocket lining. So this is your pocket lining piece. So we need to cut 2, designers. So this is all the pieces you should have. Place your main fabric right side together and do the same for your lining. Place right side together. Now place your pocket lining right side together, and we're going to sew around there. We're going to sew there and there. Now go ahead in your sewing machine and just stitch using 1 centimeter seam allowance. Make sure you back stitch as well, designers. What I like to do, I like to just do is like a really tiny trim. You do this especially if you sew a curve, because that way it will help your curve stay in place. But if you want to, you can sew press the seam, but because obviously I'm using a cotton fabric, so I can just like press with my finger and then just open your seam. And so this is the lining, so we're going to fold where we just had the knot, fold twice like that, just fold once and then fold again. We're going to sew around here. So now place your pocket lining right side together with the main fabric, and we're just going to stitch on the top and then at the bottom, just to be in place. It's just that. Designer, when you cut your fabric, make sure your lining and your pocket lining is cutted on a solid fabric, because we're going to use the mask around our mouth, so we don't want any print in the lining. Now place your lining right side together with the main fabric. So now we're going to mark around 5 centimeters for the opening. So we need this opening to turn our mask right side out later, and we're going to stitch around there. Go ahead in your sewing machine and just stitch using 1 centimeter seam allowance. What I like to do as well is just trim the excess fabric in the corner, and then you can also trim the curves as well. Now turn your mask right side out through that hole we left earlier. And this is nice trick as well, just push the corner inside, so that it's gonna give a really nice finish. But if you want as well, you can go ahead press it. So this is, as you can see here, we have the pocket. Now just fold on the side around like 1 centimeters, depend how you want it. And this is going to be the channel to insert our elastic. And we're going to sew around there. Don't forget to back stitch as well. Next, measure your elastic. So we need 2 elastic. All the measurement is going to be on the pattern. Insert the elastic through the channel that we just made. For all my swimwear designers, so what I find actually, I had the mask and they actually use the rubber elastic, so that's why I use the rubber elastic here. And your mask is done, designer. See, we can put like a tissue or any filter inside, so this is really cool. I really enjoy making this project, and thank you, designers. See you in my next video.